Yeah, I'm recording. I'm now recording a video for his green too. This is gonna be a full enforcer loadout. Artifacted command, everything. After I had to escape the pod for a second.
Look up! Look up! What? Wait, what? Huh?
I'm gonna stream to you, awesome, so you can watch.
Oh, wait, lead the gubs to the scrap together device. We need at least 4 gibbs worth of, come here, gubs. God damn it.
The one awesome's natural enemy, the Gup.
Oh.
If he sees you in real life, he will kill you.
Bro, why did that insta kill me? No, gubs, gubs, come on, over here, up here.
Wait, there's knockout gas.
Come up here, gubs. Yes, yes, go, gubs.
My middle finger hurts for no reason.
Are you kidding me?
I'm gonna guess you
Bro.
died again.
There we go. Alright, now I gotta be careful. Come on, Gups, let's go. Go fast, go fast, go fast, Gups. Over there, over there. No, Gups, no. No, Gups. Bro, what the?
Wait.
No, come here, Gips. No, 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 no. Parkour, 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 parkour. Come over here, come over here, come over here, please. Please, little guys. Yes, yes, come with me.
Whoo! He's smooth with it.
Oh, I got hit again, goddamn it.
Oh wait, I forgot to change the thing. I'm gonna go into settings. To make it
Yes,
every.
yes, come here, come here, come here, come here. God damn it, I hit the lava.
You know what?
Oh, I made it, I made it.
Why does Nemesis Mercenary have a shotgun?
It does, and it's mercenary always.
Yeah, but Mercenary has a sword. Nemesis Mercenary just pulls out a full-on
Defeat
shotgun.
your own shadow. Select items and drones to assist in defeating the deadly scavenger. Your foe. Shrapnel grenade. Okay. Good item. Good item. I want item.
Let's see. I've been recording for 3 minutes and realized. What are you? You're an overloaded beetle. Hmm. No. Whoo! Knockout gas. Unconscious, thrown off the edge.
Yo, laser drone. Since when?
Damn! Five percent damage, 5% bullet thickness, 1.1% bullet spread. Ooh.
Oh my god, this one is hard.
like you have more knowledge with Enforce and everything. I'm just out here trick-shotting people as a stormtrooper.
Oh my gosh, that scab is strong. Why does it have multiple legendary items?
Why not?
It's a scab, that's why?
Why are you discriminating against the scabs? Or scabs?
Scavengers.
Why are you discriminating against the scavengers, huh? I probably should not have done two. Never back me into a corner, for that's when I get become stronger. Right foot creek, ooh rock. That's a Stone Titan, but where is he? I found the Stone Titan! You know, I'm actually going for an actual loadout this time. A legendary. Bro, it's over now. This looks so weird on the end of a Star Wars blaster. Or on a Star Wars blaster.
Oh, is that just the skin?
Well, are you watching me?
No.
Huh.
Oh, I got a skin for Enforcer.
I want you to watch my stream for a second, Awesome.
Okay. Yeah?
Look above my gun.
What?
So, I have Brilliant Behemoth. Do you see Brilliant Behemoth on the top of my gun?
How did you... Yes, I do. How did you already get Behemoth? Did you just find a legendary?
Yeah, I found it from a rare chest.
Huh.
And I was so happy that I actually had Behemoth unlocked that I instantly picked it. I haven't found the teleporter yet.
Are you kidding me? There it is. Oh, what's up here? I don't think I've ever been in here. Oh no, I've definitely been up here.
I was not that good of a trap. Seeing this out, everybody's dead now. Three shots, 3 kills. Another legendary?
Nice.
I have no idea what to get for this legendary. Austin, can you help me out?
A what?
Can you help me out?
You should take the skateboard. Which board is that? Yeah, you print automatically.
I do? No, I don't.
Cooper, go on.
I'm gonna get more skateboards.
Why?
To increase my movement speed to godlike. $360.
You? Oh wait, Free Women. What does this one do? I haven't gotten this one yet. Oh. Yeah, Enforcer's AoE is kinda busted.
Bro, I'm still slow. I'm trying to increase my crit chance so I have a chance.
Free Legendary, let's go. AGG Mark II.
You have an ATG. Isn't the ATG in Risk of Rain 2 Mark II?
No.
So the ATG in. Okay, but the one in your game is Mark II.
Yeah. There's a Legendary and a Basic and a ATG.
Is that how it
The
is
legendary-
in Risk of Rain 2 or no?
No. The Legendary ATG in this game is ATG. And the uncommon one is, the rare one is ATG Mark 1.
I like how just I like just
you
knocking
just-
people out and then just shooting them.
It's kinda busted.
Let's see if I can actually do a solo run on this.
Yeah, if you don't need to be carried.
If not, that just means I'm just improving.
Well, I'm pretty sure you're Drizzle, right? Drizzle with Art Vector Command is really easy.
This one.
And you have an unbalanced character.
Yep. Oh, look at these trick shots.
No.
I'm being completely honest with you. When you get to teleporter, any shot's pretty much a trick shot because you're just looking around frantically.
Cooper.
Not really.
Well, I
You need
am.
to be very calm whenever you're at the teleporter, else you will be if you're anything higher than Drizzle.
I don't have that many items. I'm just like one-shotting everything that even that
Maybe
even
not like
moves.
very calm, but you need to be at least decently calm. You can't just like pretend you are just a teleporter. Shrine of the Mountain is extremely risky stage 1 because you could get Pondering Vagrant. I just lose.
Oh yeah, I was very like, wait, I didn't get the Newt altar. Now because we have Bazaar's home on this mod pack.
Yup. Enemies drop more money. Thank you, Smart Shop, for existing.
The shop that is smart. Honestly, what aspect I become.
Right, here we got double. Oh, got a Colossus.
I didn't become an aspect. Wow. Okay. Skateboard again. Screw it.
Enemies drop even more money.
We're gonna get you. We're gonna get ukulele. Awesome! Look, it's on the shield.
What's that? What?
Look, the Predator's intuition's on the shield.
Predator's intuition, huh? It's predatory instincts.
Oh. I can't read.
Read.
I can't read. I mean, I can. I just choose not to.
L.
Well,
I just got a legendary from a basic chest.
I pretty much just turned this man into the Predator. Because not only is he, like, one-shotting everything, he has red glowing eyes.
Get hard light.
He also has a thing on
Hard
his
light
back.
literally does
A back shoulder.
nothing on this character.
I snapped my legs, but still, 0 fall damage. Oh.
If you were on Eclipse, you'd take quite a bit of fall damage.
Surprising I took none. One drone?
Because you're not on Eclipse, that's why.
Need to find myself a drone. I must sacrifice a drone. I must sacrifice 2 drones, apparently.
Yo, what the hell is that? That's an item I haven't seen before.
It's a refabricator!
Area log.
I found a found a refrigerator.
A what?
This thingy! Refabricator. Refrigerator.
Oh, that. I guess it's added with the Forcer now. Yeah, if you get 3 drones, you can upgrade them with a higher tier drone. If you get 3 of the same type of drone, it has to be the same type.
So you tell me if I get 3 healing drones, I can get an ultra healing drone?
Basically.
Goku, you've lied to me.
What do you mean?
I don't know. Just saying random things
Yo,
now.
another shrine to the mountain. As long as I don't get Vagrant, I'll be completely fine. I bet you now that I've said that, I'm gonna get Vagrant.
You might.
It's almost guaranteed, Urch.
You're just like, I'm gonna get this. You doesn't get it.
What does this do?
How are you not dead?
Yo, the web. I love the web. Webs are the best. Some of the Providence trials are pretty hard.
Red whip.
Nice.
Is that red whip? Yeah, it is red whip. And double check.
Why the hell can't you jump on that? It's very clearly a physical thing, so why can't you jump on that shit? Ancient Wisp, this is fine. Swibs, go! Oh my god, Swib did a lot of damage.
If somebody doesn't die within 1 shot, it will probably get bleeding, which will then kill it.
Ah, goddammit, I'm dead. Damn.
You know what? Let's put some speed on this character real quick.
Hello, is this party?
That's party.
Nope, it's Loopy.
Oh, it is Loopy. Stop shooting me from the back. You know what? The clone scums are dead. I should change. You know, awesome.
Yeah.
Would you want me to change your name to Roar Lover? Your nickname?
No.
Okay.
I can do that myself.
No, I'm gonna do that myself.
I said I can. But
I know. Wait, there's a sword. I have a bayonet.
I love Bayonetta. Bayonetta is a cool character.
Bayonetta wins.
Bayonetta wins.
Katana wins. I actually found something out. If I listen to someone's voice enough, I can pretty much mimic it. It's creepy but fascinating. Well, can I actually open this chest? Oh yeah, it's 51. I thought it was 60. I thought it was like 81. Hey, hit me again! Hit me!
You missed.
No, they're hitting. Why am I not taking damage?
Press shift.
What?
Press shift. Press R. Press R again. Maybe they will deal damage to you now. I don't know.
They can actually hit me. I don't know why they're not unable to hit me.
Damn, Octopus greedy.
No! Get a blast. I am Sonic. I need more attack speed. Ooh. What's this? It's a lamp.
What?
Fires a haunting projectile every 5 primary shots. 4, 5. Oh. I was just randomly shooting and I hit an enemy.
Huh.
Sorry guys, I left my aimbot on the most easiest game ever. Every YouTuber ever. No, that'd be TikTokers. TikTokers always like seem to use aimbot for some reason. Well, not always, but mostly. Stop walking, you're too loud. Stop flying in my airspace. Just imagine shooting a man dead because he was walking too loud.
You would be arrested immediately.
Was that you that left Awesome?
No.
Okay. Yeah, you would generally be arrested instantly, beyond instantly. Like they would hear you shot a man just for walking. Sir, you're walking too loud. Bang!
I am dead.
I mean, I'm dead. I can make him an aspect. I can make him 2 aspects. Oh no, these are just equipment. I am the foraging fruit. Actually, I don't even need the fruit. Why did I take that? I don't need the fruit. What does the elephant do? It just increases my defense. Okay.
Hell.
I picked 2 things that do nothing for me.
Oh, Loopy's launching restoring him.
Really?
Yeah.
But I am 13 coins away from getting another legendary. More red whip. More red whip. Let's go with more bleed. Yeah, awesome. I think this is a good enough movement speed. What do you think? I fell through a rock. This might be my quickest time actually doing this game.
Coco, drop it. Coco! Bad.
Yep, I swear I saw some spawn in. But I just missed it. Apparently I killed it. Bro, I'm willing to take Mithrix on right now. Must be the boy. Can't catch me, Mithrix. Woohoo! Out of my face. No. I'm not that stupid. I ain't fighting Mithrix this early. I don't have crazy enough attack speed to fight Mithrix.
Get good at the game?
Fine, I will. Give me all the attack speed things.
That's not getting good.
Yeah, it is. If everything dies, I'm good.
No, that's not how it works.
It works in my book. And my book is filled with a lot of soldier stems.
Huh.
So no wonder it makes no sense to you. They're trying to jump me. Let's get some more crit chance. That's $169. Drones kill everything. If it moves, it dies. If it bleeds, it dies. I still haven't even explored the top part of the map yet. The anti-aircraft gun run. I'm about to have 100% crit chance on some.
Okay.
I'm
Wait,
kidding.
wait, wait, how many watt? You're still 5 away.
From 100% crit chance?
Yeah.
How?
Because, well, get the scythe, get the scythe, get the scythe.
I already have the scythe.
Oh, okay, yeah. Well, the scythe and predatory instinct already give 5% base. They don't give more, though. And lens makers, you only need 9 if you have both of them. So,
I'm just gonna grab this.
understandable.
I don't know what green to grab, so I'm just gonna grab random greens. Nothing can really break my build at this moment.
So yeah, you're on Drizzle.
What are you? You're a shock drone. That's new.
That's modded.
I think we both have different responses. That's new. That's modded.
That's 100% modded. That's not even in Risk of Rain 1.
I did not mean to do that. Turn the corner and just glocked a man. Go, strike drones. Shoot them out of the air. I don't want them in the air. They're annoying.
Kill yourself.
No.
Yes.
What's up? I just... What the heck? My drones are committing suicide.
Bro, what?
My drone just decided to collapse on the ground for no reason. Wow. Yum, 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 yum. Who are you? Yeah. Die, modded boss. I think it's dead. What do you do? Move faster at lower health. Yeah, that's not gonna help because they can't seem to kill me. I'm bored summoning this here.